Hello Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to read the cards for you for the month of December 2020. Um, this month is going to be very important for a lot of signs, so I'm expecting when I flip the cards it will be equally effective for you also, Sagittarius. As usual, we are going to start the reading with the theme of the month card. We will see what is the theme like for you in the month of December and what does the fairy card tells you about this month. A categoric message for you. Also, before we start, I would like to share my contact numbers with you so that if in case you want to get your personalized reading done with me, you can reach me easily on these numbers. You can telegram me and WhatsApp me or call me on 8448901791. You can email me on blossomlifetarot@gmail.com. You can visit my website www.blossomlifetarot.com as well. So let's get ahead and see how are the energies for you in the month of December 2020, and let's get ahead. The very first card, oh, it's a beautiful card. I will show you that soon, very in a very short span of time, of course. The very first week talks about something very important. Second week talks about some loss. Third week is there, which is beautiful. And fourth week, yeah, it is the most beautiful week for you. I told you this month is very effective for a lot of sun signs, and I think it is going to change a lot of negativity if you're going through because of COVID. This year has been downtime for a lot of people. This month end is going to give you something beautiful. So let's get ahead with the reading. The very first card, as I said, it's a beautiful card, and I want you to have a look at this card. You will feel positive about it. This card talks about celebrations. Celebrations means that you will get an opportunity to be a part of some kind of a celebration. It can be a wedding, it can be a engagement party of a friend, it can be a birthday party of someone, it can be a get together at home. So you will have a lot of opportunities to be together, have some family time, have some friends time, relaxing time in the month of December. So that it is all about. There are few things which are happening related to marriage in the month of December. I will come to that also. But then to start with, the very first week talks about something which is to do with a choice. You know, you're making a choice or you want to make a choice in the month of December. I will not say that it is going to be a very beautiful thing. I will tell you that also why. But then as of now, this is what you're doing in the first week. Now, whenever Two of Swords come, Two of Swords talks about options, plannings, thinking, having something in hand, and then talking about something else, thinking about something else in mind. Now, the same kind of energies I'm getting for you. You're dealing with someone, that's what it looks to me. You're dealing with someone who's into something creative, some creative kind of field. You're dealing with that person, and the person is very strong. That's what you feel, and that strongness of that person is actually attracting you towards this person, and you are getting confused between your existing relationship and this new relationship what you have in mind with this new person. Okay, now I was saying that it will not be a good idea. Why? Because I don't see the outcome card going becoming too doesn't look like a lucrative card, because here what I see and what I can tell you is that this relationship what you are focusing on right now, Sagittarius, is completely based on materialistic power and materialistic attraction. It is not a heart to heart kind of a connection what you have, but then there is something which is lacking in your life, and that one lack is something which is making base for you to look at this person, this new person. And I will not suggest you to do that. Why? Because it will not be concrete, it will not be beneficial. So step back, the Sagittarius. um, Also, the Nine of Swords has been clarified by Six of Swords. So the Sword family is running your cards in the month of December. And I am sorry for the bad throat I have, just bear with me. Since this has been clarified by Six of Swords, I think that if you have come across any loss recently, you are going to get away from that very soon. So if there is a financial loss you have gone through recently, Sagittarius, there's a movement time coming, there's a reimbursement time coming for that loss. There is a profit time which is coming, and this time is also taking you from a struggling phase of life towards a calmer phase of life. So whatever losses you had to have, that will happen, or you will realize them by the second week of December. And after that, there's a recovery period coming your way, which is not only financial, but then this is more towards finances. I would say you're more concerned about finances in the month of December. That's what I see here. And I think this is why you are actually looking towards wrong relationships also, because that's something which, you think it's like a breather for you, but then that is not a good idea. I will again say that's not a good idea. Drop the idea. Okay. um, there are people who are who were about to get married, or they were looking towards getting engaged or something like that. So it was a committed relationship which was about to happen for you. That is not working out now, so you might actually leave the relationship, or I also see that people who are in an unethical relationship, third party relationship, those third parties are going to break in the month of December, and you're going to get reunited with your partner in the third week. So by third week, the reunion should come into your mind, should hit your mind, and you're going to get out of that relationship which you wanted to get committed in. So it's a marriage breaking, it's an engagement, it's an engagement breaking, it's something which is not even reaching the reaching its destination. It is getting you're getting hurdles in middle of the project. So if you're into any kind of third party relationship right now, the time has come to just move out of that. Okay. Financially, this month looks like good, specifically in the third week of December. Third week looks lucrative. You will have new job opportunities coming your way, you will have new financial benefits coming your way, so grab them if you were waiting for them for a long time, I will say. With the same energies, with the same kind of energies, you are actually moving towards what? You're moving towards the fourth week of December. And here, my dear Sagittarius, I see that you are becoming a Mr. Dependable for a lot of people in December. A lot of people are going to get dependent on you. And you are also dealing with an energy. A lot of you are dealing in terms of partner energy. King of Wand, when he comes in a reading, he's a very reliable person, very very reliable. And the quality of this person is that the leadership skills what he has, it is unmatched. So none of the kings in all the four houses of tarot has this kind of a strongness, this kind of reliable approach towards people. And people, Mr. Dependable, you can call them. So he's that kind of a person. And this person's presence in your card tells you that he's your go-to person. You have an advisor in life, and this person you can depend on. So and not only depending on this person actually, he will help you to reach towards your goals. So this person is becoming your guide, your advisor, your friend in life. This person must be in his 40s, like 45, 50, middle age there. And then he's very, I will say, aggressive. But at the same time, he's aggressive not in the temper. His temper is not aggressive, but then his approach is aggressive. Like he wants and does things with a lot of passion in life. This is the kind of person you are dealing with by the end of the month. This person is becoming your advisor, so he is a helping hand you have in the month of December. I'm going to clarify a few cards for you, which I feel like a need of clarification here. So this reunion I was talking about in the third week, what is this? It is a magical reunion, and you will realize the magic you had in this relationship, the previous relationship, yourself, and that will actually attract you back towards this relationship. This is why the reunion is happening. I just wanted to know why the reunion is coming in your card. What is the reason that you want to come back to the same person? We are pulling now a card for you, which is your relationship card. We are checking what is happening in the relationship area and what exactly the universe wants you to take a decision in terms of your relationship area, Sagittarius. And here we are, karma is on your side. So now when the karma is on your side and it is not on the other person's side, that's a good time for you. So karma pays you in two ways. Like one way, it pays you back for your bad karmas, and second, for the good karma. So this month is a safe month because you are getting paid for your good karmas. in the month of December. So whatever good you had done in life, you're going to get the results of it. You're going to get the benefits of that by the karma. And he's in the justice mode right now, and that's good for you. It's bringing good luck for you. Shield yourself from any harsh energies, any fear-based energies, people who are trying to scare you of something. Save yourself from them. That's my advices and the angels' advice for you. Beautiful month, strong month. Make most out of it and take care of yourself. Yeah, bye bye. Take care. Good.